Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing 13 different ways that you can use your year at a glance in the Hobonichi weeks. Now I made these teeny tiny little boxes to fit right inside the box area, but you can use whatever you like. You don't have to use any stickers. You can just use a pen or a pencil. Now, if you are using these stickers, I would recommend placing them down with tweezers since they are teeny tiny little boxes. Now, this sheet comes with 18 different colors at times two, so if you are planning on color coding your yearly view, this is super helpful to do so. Again, you don't have to use the stickers. If you want to color code, you can just use any colored pen or pencil. I do, however, find these very helpful, especially when it comes down to the lower section where they have the Japanese character. These boxes, even though they are teeny tiny, do give you a little bit more space to write in. Alright, so starting off with the first way that you can use your yearly view is keeping track of your menstrual periods or your fertility days. The second, it would be your vacation. So you can keep track of vacation from work or vacation at home. Number three would be keeping track of birthdays or anniversaries in here. Number four would be to keep track of your days off from work or your spouse's, boyfriend's, girlfriend's day off. Number five is holidays. So Martin Luther King Day, Memorial Day, 4th of July, that is all super useful in here. Number six is keeping track of your bills due. So whenever your credit card, electricity, card payments, all of those things. Or if you want to keep track of your daily spending, this would be a great area to write in how much you spent every single day. Number 8 and 9 is appointments and or meetings. I thought that they would be useful in here if you have doctor's appointments, dentists, or meetings at work. Number 10 are your moods for the month. So you can write down whether you're angry, sad, happy, things like that would be very useful to look back on. Next would be keeping track of your fitness, so your steps each day or how many calories you have eaten. And then the last one would be to keep track of your workout. So if you swam, ran, weightlift, things like that, you can write in and put on a schedule. So I hope you found these ideas useful, and if you have any other tips or ideas on how to use this section, please share them with us down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!